All right, so here we go. Some performance. Little mod happening. Here we go.
What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining me. Here we go. Time for an adventure. Time for some fun. What am I doing today? Let's see on this episode of this adventurous channel.
Here we go. Something new for El Jefe. Opening it right now with you. There we go. What is it? There it is. That's what we're doing. All right, that's the wireless package. Here comes the main package. Let's see what's in this stuff here. So this is the throw response controller. So this is exactly what's gonna help me with my Jeep because I don't have my gears yet. So this is gonna help me a little bit. So in this box, we have the throttle controller thing. Nice little sticker, and you know I love stickers, so this is going on somehow. This connects to your stuff down there. We'll show you when we get there. A little zip tie to tie it in. Some stickies. And your directions on how to use it. Pretty good. And then the wireless one should be, you can get them in different colors. I opted for black. You actually can get it in red, but I kind of want to keep it sleek in there. If I can open it, I love these boxes. They're annoying. Okay. So here's your little guy. That's what it looks like. So you're gonna be able to see that. And also a little charger for it. And again, some of these guys and your user guide. So we're gonna go install this and then see how it is, and then take it for a little test drive. All right, see you soon. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna do this. So this is my packing list of everything I have. Exactly what I have is exactly what's down there. So right here it says download the Roar Pedal app before starting in this action. So if you have a Google or whatever, you do that. I'll do that once I get off of this. And then here's an interesting thing about this. It says, it says turn off your car and wait 15 to 30 minutes before proceeding. So it might detect that your check engine light's on. Okay, and then we'll do that. So we'll wait a little bit since I just got back from doing an errand, and we'll wait.
It's all connected correctly because you see the LED light, the green one. That means green means go. So everything was good. Again, like I said, you got to get in there. It's not that hard. You just got to disconnect a few things. The pedal, which is up in here. You have to go in here and disconnect it up in here, and it's really, really quick and easy. It's not that hard at all. All right, so I found a really good spot to mount it here. Actually had this here from an old cell phone mount. I wanted to put that there, maybe use it for something, and look at it, kind of came out perfectly. So got my two guys up there, got my mount here for that. Be able to access everything, change my modes and everything I need. I also have it on the cell phone. But again, once you turn your Jeep on, around a little bit with my son to go pick up some cupcakes, and Sport level 5 was really good. So that's like right in the middle of the sport mode. You can switch them through the modes. This is the normal mode. And the weird thing is once you start driving it, you can feel the difference so fast in the actual way it is. The race mode, kind of funny when you can hit the pedal and you can hear the differences. So for right now, I think I'm just gonna go with sport mode, leave it in sport mode, level 5 right in the middle, and then work from there.
Hey everybody, thank you very much. Geronimo here, Geronimo Lifestyle, again, for supporting me on my Jeep adventures, and hopefully you guys can keep coming and enjoying my adventures. See you soon. Peace.